We left Fairbanks this morning, headed down towards Anchorage. What will probably be at least a 2-day trip, maybe a 3-day trip. Right now we stopped in Nenana, Alaska at the old museum, Depot Museum here. We're gonna walk around here. I'm gonna walk around here. Marissa's sitting this one out. We'll walk around here and check it out, take some pictures of a railroad trestle over here and some other stuff. There's nothing to see in here. I did not get the very good vibe going into the museum there. Looked like unfriendly people. I walked around, really nothing to see, but I checked it out here. Anyway, there's some murals here. I'll see if I can get a picture of them. I do like murals. In Nenana, Alaska here. This is in Healy, Alaska, just a little north of Denali National Park, at the gateway to the 49th state brewing, Alaska being the 49th state. This is where they have the replica of the what's called a magic bus. I don't think I caught that from the movie, but anyway, it's being called the magic bus, a replica here, and we won't get to see that original bus this trip. The magic bus, replica of the magic bus here in Healy, Alaska. Yeah, I stumbled on it, I guess, when he was out in the wilderness. It makes a good shelter. Definitely stay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how realistic it is. But look, it's kind of like an old schoolie. We got a barrel, made a potbelly stove out of a barrel. That would not be as good as a cast iron, would have been better, but anyway, got a bed back there. Oh, it's got a lot of photos on the wall here. And yeah, just like somebody built a make some schoolie bus. Got to make up a kitchen, a bed, and everything. I'm gonna copy some of these photos here and read later. This is our first time into Denali National Park and Preserve, so we're going to stop and take some pictures, and we'll probably take a picture every time we come in, but this is the most exciting one, our first time into Denali National Park and Preserve. Clear day. We were curious of whether we're going to see the mountain yet or not, and get some pictures of this sign here. We have not even driven a half mile from the first Denali Park sign we saw, and we come across this one. So we're still taking pictures of the park signs. And we're not far from the visitor center. After we get down to our photos here, we won't stop till we get there. We are in the Denali, you know, my GPS calls it Denali, Denali National Park. Oh well, Garmin, who knows? Anyway, we're in the visitor center.
Maybe you should put some double stick.
Oh, they have. Oh, you can get your stamp while you're here.
Oh yeah. Let me get my door.
You got your key, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Kita pun Denali.
Yeah. I guess this mosquitoes are going to be eating on this. I guess we'll further support your food chain. There's what their poop looks like.
There's a lot of mud in there.
Yeah. Big moose. Here.
Then on the Alaska Railroad to finally arrive at the park depot. Most of these visitors had hopes of seeing the mountain up close. The park's first superintendent, Harry Carstens, had a staff of only one ranger.
That's the different meats of the. Oh, got hides, lungs. Oh, take the photo. Okay. Yes, baby. Looks like leather. Is that, oh, that's. I don't think that's the skin hide. I don't know. Could be aspen. Aspen bark.
Yeah, the bark.
I had this spot on my list as the Denali River viewpoint. Definitely a good view. Temperature has dropped, wind's blowing. I guess wind blowing across the ice and snow just carries the cold air with it. Anyway, this river definitely has a good flow. It has a fast current. But this is not where we're stopping at. We got one more stop and then find a place for the night. Yeah. Get some money out of it. Interesting. This is just going to get graffitied up more, and I'll take a picture of it and take it off. Check it off my list. It's in Alaska here, between Denali and Anchorage. Our first stop this morning is Hurricane Gulch Bridge. I'm trying to get to where I can get a view of it here from the north side going south. Anyway, we've parked our camper and I pull out here. There's a van there, I think overnighted there. And this is what I got to go through to try to find that spot. Slippery snow. Really no place I can. Let me try one more thing here before I give up on this side. Okay, well I got this. Oh, dirt's so soft. Hear them cars when they hit the bridge. It makes a. I wonder if it's a steel deck. I didn't notice it when we drove across and came back. So let me get this picture here. This is now the other side of the bridge, north side. And Hurricane Gulch Bridge. Anyhow, it is way down there. And I am standing right on the edge. That is something. Wish I could be down there and take a picture looking up. But this is probably my best vantage point. It's right here. Actually, I'm gonna go down a little further and take a picture with the mountains in the background here. And our next stop is gonna be the north viewing area for Denali. I don't think we're gonna see much today. We got the north, there's a north viewpoint and a south viewpoint we're gonna get to. But we'll probably see Denali, just won't see the tip of it. Anyway, we're gonna get in the camper and drive on down that way. Okay, how'd you like the Hurricane Gulch Bridge?
It was magnificent bridge, but it's scary too.
Yeah, scary to try to find a place to stop. So what do you say? Let's go look at Denali next.
Yep.
All right, we're going to view Denali today. I'm 100% sure that we're going to go to the place and look at it.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy, but
we might be able to see it.
This won't be our last time coming through this way. We will see it before we leave Alaska.
Yeah.
All right, I am definitely looking at Denali right now. And I can see the mountain Denali. I just can't see the tip of it yet. Almost. I'm gonna come back someday and be able to see the whole mountain. Maybe the whole mountain range here. There's Hunter Ridge in the background. I don't know what we were looking at from the north, but it wasn't Denali. We spent a lot of time there. Got a lot of cool pictures I'll post, but I'm gonna cut out the part where I said, "Oh, this is Denali." This stop has been on my map for a little while. It's called Mike's. I like Walmart, but it's Mike's. And he's got a collection of a whole lot of stuff here. I'm gonna browse through and check it all out here. Kind of like a little bit of everything. You got drums, got a Mickey Mouse silhouette there, or not silhouette, but colored Mickey Mouse cutout. Whole bunch of old tires. Probably get you a full set of tires here for whatever vehicle is set. Tires and rims. PVC pipe. Old wood stove. We got a shed just for stovepipe. I like that old truck there. You just never seen enough old vehicles on the road. And before I get to that Trump sign, I'm gonna get this van across from me here. We used to call them a panel wagon, I guess. It's old Dodge panel wagon van. Anyway, Alaska loves Trump. 2024. I'm not making no political statement here. Just I like the way they put their signs out. Anyway, and I guess no more bullshit. Trump 2020. We are in Trapper Creek, Alaska, where people are friendly, except for one. I don't know, sign pointing down, probably a grave, something out of where an unfriendly person was buried. Got and of course these signs are for sale. There's not just one of them. Got chicken crossing, rabbit crossing, steam train crossing, horse, whale crossing, could happen. Nut chase. Goat crossing, the visitors, alien visitors there. All kinds of stuff. I am smiling, and I am smiling at the eagle. You never can tell if an eagle's happy or not. Doesn't look like they're smiling. Yes, oh, there's gold pans. We went mining for gold up in Fox, Alaska. Got us $46 worth. I guess the wife got $46 worth. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's Iron Mike. I mean, not Iron Mike, Wall Mike's. Similar to Walmart, except a whole lot of cooler stuff. I like these old state tags that people used to have specialized. Don't mess with Mama Bear. Or Papa Bear for that, or Baby Bear. No, these aren't, those tags are for sale. I don't think they were actual license plate tags. You can get any tag like that on Amazon, state tag, and have it personalized. Couldn't look at it though. Cool stuff. We'll go inside it and finish checking outside stuff out here. Little bit of everything. Check out this international tractor here. Looks like it might still run. Get the seat turned up so it doesn't catch water. That's what we do when we park a tractor. Tractor when you don't have a shed to park it, tires are good. Yeah, this thing runs. I bet you 2380 that it runs. Let's go inside here now. Free weed. That'll be something. And of course they'd be open. First saw this mannequin, I thought it was a girl standing up here.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Hey, hello sir, how you doing?
I'm doing.
You're Mike?
Yeah.
All right. Like the place you got here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good and warm inside here too. God, you got, if I needed something, out of the ordinary, I'd definitely call him up or come by here and see if he's got it. Probably does. All these old tins. That's not an old one. It's a replica of an old one. And a little grinder there. Big grinder, actually. Heated auto mug. We've got a little drugstore here. Piggly Wiggly, I like that. It's like North Carolina food store. I know people haven't heard of that store a lot of places. Original self-service. I don't know about that. Well, I don't remember them being self-service. Alrighty. Willie Nelson, he was here in 1983. George Sullivan Arena in Anchorage. Cool. Excuse me. I'm from Georgia.
Georgia.
I'm the state below Nashville.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Great country.
Oh yeah. Loving Alaska though.
Thank you.
Hey girl, how you doing? She don't talk much. Oh well. Well, I can walk the back side of the aisle here. Okay, that's the Wall Mike's. Trapper Creek, Alaska, south of Denali State Park, north of Palmer and Anchorage. Y'all come on down, you hear? I don't think they say you here in Alaska, but that's a place worth. I enjoy checking it out. Cool. We are at a place called Birch Works. And, well, they make birch syrup. They work the birch, make the syrup. There's my darling. And there's a sign to get your selfie by. It's Kathleen Birchworth. Birch Works. Got a tasting tour in the shop. We're gonna check some of it out. We've been to a maple farm. And, well, it's different. Here, we gotta see the pipe, the hose is just stuck in the tree there. Curiouser and curiouser here. We're gonna be taking some pictures and videos.
Comes out of the tree, it's going to be like 99% water for us, and then that other like 1% is going to be those sugars and minerals. So these 4 tubes around the corner, all the sap will get run through that first, and we'll take 90% of what we've brought in just sprayed out as that pure water byproduct that we make. We'll use that water and we'll clean machinery, but most of it will get dumped back into the woods, where we'll probably pick it up again the next day when the trees suck it up. So it's a pretty closed loop system. But sap to syrup here at this facility typically is no longer than 24 hours. So we're out collecting in the woods. We're gonna bring all that sap back as we're filling up our tanks out there. We'll put it through that reverse osmosis machine. Then we're gonna put it in a concentration tank that's out back. It'll sit overnight. We're gonna wanna get everything collected and put through the reverse osmosis before we're gonna cook it in the evaporator. And that's because when we turn this evaporator on, we're gonna run it for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. We're gonna wanna do a big batch because of that fructose sugar. Because of that, we have a lower boiling point, so the more syrup we have in here cooking, the less likely we are to accidentally burn it. And also, every time we turn this evaporator on, it's gonna take about 16 gallons of diesel fuel for every hour we're operating it. It is very efficient though, and because of that fructose, we can keep a really consistent flame and temperature going, which is really important for us.